When it comes to getting a home loan, we know you have many choices and want you to understand why PrimeLending is different. It begins with our people and our processes. You see, at PrimeLending, we recognize the importance of technology in today's mortgage process, but one of the things that sets us apart is that we have not forgotten how important the role people play in the process still is. And your loan officer is here for you, from first contact, through your closing date, and even after your loan has closed. And our processes, well, they're different. They're built around you. This helps us to minimize, even completely eliminate issues that so frequently happen with other lenders. To get an idea of what I'm referring to, just ask any real estate agent how they feel about internet mortgage lenders. When deadlines are crucial, you will want us in your corner. The mortgage loan process consists of many different parts, and each are critically important to a smooth transaction. In the following video, I'll break these down into a bit more detail, but the following 10 steps are typical of the PrimeLending mortgage process: preparation, pre-qualification, presentation of options, going under contract if you're buying a home, locking your interest rate, disclosing your loan, processing your loan, the appraisal process, underwriting your mortgage, and finally, closing and funding. In the preparation stage, you should begin to gather documentation that will be needed to complete your loan application. Any borrower on the loan should be prepared with their most recent 2 years tax returns and W-2s, 2 recent pay stubs, and the most recent 2-month statements from any bank, retirement, or other asset accounts you may have. The loan that you qualify for may only require you to have 1 year of tax returns or 1 month of bank statements, but it's always best to be prepared for what might be asked of you so that you aren't left scrambling for more documents later. Now, at some point between the preparation phase and the contract stage, if you're purchasing a home, your PrimeLending loan officer will ask to personally meet with you to gather information and review documentation. This face-to-face personal meeting is one of the parts of our process that varies so much from other lenders. You know, a home purchase is one of the largest financial decisions you will undertake during your lifetime, and you should interview your loan officer to ensure that you're 100% comfortable with our company and your loan officer, just as you would a doctor if dealing with a major health issue or an attorney if dealing with a major legal issue. This personal meeting is where you'll begin to discover what truly sets PrimeLending apart from its competition and the focus that we place on ensuring that you're making the right financial decision. We also understand that our clients are busy and that a personal meeting may be hard to schedule. In cases like this, we utilize technology that helps close the gap so that a face-to-face meeting can still be held even from hundreds of miles away. After you gather your documentation, you'll want to get pre-qualified for your new mortgage. During the pre-qualification stage, many different things take place, and it's crucial that you have a solid understanding about the importance of this part of the process. Pre-qualification starts with the completion of your loan application. The mortgage industry has a standardized loan application, so the questions asked on it will not change from lender to lender. You may choose to fill out your loan application online via the secure website of your loan officer, or you may choose to meet in person to complete your loan application. It's very important that you complete your loan application as thoroughly and accurately as possible, and this is the reason the items you collected during the preparation phase are so important. During the application phase of pre-qualification, don't hesitate to ask your loan officers any questions you have, and don't be surprised if your loan officer asks you several questions after receipt of the loan application. This is done to dot all the I's and cross all the T's because of the importance of another phase of getting pre-qualified: automated underwriting. After you have submitted your loan application, your loan officer will pull and review your credit report. Credit data from TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian is combined into a single credit report, and credit scores from all 3 bureaus are obtained. When qualifying for a mortgage, the lowest middle credit score from any borrower on the loan is the one used for qualifying. So your loan officer may make suggestions regarding credit or loan structure that could lead to improved mortgage terms. It's also at this stage that your loan officer will calculate things like debt ratio, determine loan to value, and much more. Once your loan officer has a loan properly structured, automated underwriting is run and will provide an approval recommendation along with a list of recommended approval requirements. These are the requirements your mortgage underwriter will later use to underwrite your actual mortgage. There are also some things that your PrimeLending loan officer will do during the pre-qualification stage that differs greatly from other lenders, and this is a big part of what sets us apart from our competition. First, we're going to take a step beyond the loan application to complete a comprehensive questionnaire, allowing us to tailor a mortgage specific to your needs. You may find that we ask questions you've never considered or provide you with information on topics you weren't even aware. There are many things that can impact a mortgage loan approval or the terms of your loan that the automated underwriting engines can't see. Increasing your credit score just a few points may make a difference in your interest rate or terms. Reviewing tax returns up front for things like a side business or unreimbursed business expenses can make a difference in your qualifying income. Self-employed borrowers should always have an income analysis completed at this stage and prior to submitting a loan to underwriting so that you don't encounter trouble once you've already gone under contract to buy a home. Automated underwriting can't see your bank statements and see things like insufficient funds or large unsourced deposits, which can impact your loan approval. Automated underwriting also can't see your pay stubs to determine if you're paying back an unreported loan to your employer or have money withheld for some other reason, which could impact your debt ratio. These are just a few examples of many other potential issues that frequently arise and why the prime lending process is better. We address problems early so that they don't become larger problems later. Once your loan has been pre-qualified, which can take as little as a few hours in most cases, your loan officer will present you and your real estate agent with a pre-qualification letter. Don't ever hesitate to reach out and ask should you need your numbers adjusted. The next thing that sets our process apart, and the next step in the overall process, is the presentation of options. We see it as an obligation to present you with loan options that detail the pluses and minuses of each, allowing you to make an educated decision regarding which option to choose. When your loan officer presents loan options, you'll be left with a complete understanding of each and have no doubt that your choice is what best suits your needs.